Bonjour! In this video for beginner Procreate users, I will show you how to reproduce this letter made of dots. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use the halftone adjustments and how to create a gradient inside your letter. By the way, if you want to use the same color palette, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! First, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly set the color background, select the color background layer on your layers panel, then choose this dark blue color from the color palette. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this red color from the color palette, go to the Actions menu, Add Text, then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. Then choose the Futura font in bold style with a fairly large size. Tap the Transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then put your letter in the middle of your canvas with the size you want. Now let's create dots with the halftone adjustment. Tap the adjustments icon, then tap halftone in layer mode. There are three options at the bottom, choose the last one, newspaper, then slide to the right to adjust the size of the dots. The space between each dot depends on the brightness of your lettering. For example, if you had chosen the light beige color, the dots would be very far apart. At the opposite, with the dark blue color, the dots are very close together. Once you are satisfied with the position of your dots, tap the adjustments icon to confirm. Now, let's create the gradient inside your letter. First, we need to put the layer in Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Tap on your layer, then tap Alpha Lock. Go to your brush library, airbrushing brush set, then choose the soft brush. Select the lightest color on that line from the color palette. Use it at the top of your letter. Then take the darker colors to fill the letter to the bottom. Go to the Adjustments menu, choose Gaussian Blur in Layer Mode, then slide to the right to blend your colors together. Now let's clean up your letter because there are small dots you want to avoid having here for the finishing touches of your artwork. For this, you're going to create a mask. If you want to learn more about mask, I invite you to watch this video. Tap on your layer, then tap Mask. Tap the Selection tool. Make sure you are in freehand mode. Select the dots you want to keep to create your letter. Once you are done, tap Invert. Make sure to have the black color selected on your color button, then tap Color Fill. For the finishing touches, create a new layer on top, tap the Actions menu, copy canvas, then paste, go to the adjustments menu, tap sharpen layer, slide to adjust to around 50%, go to the adjustments menu again, tap chromatic aberration in layer mode, slide to adjust to around 5%, go back to the adjustments menu one last time, tap noise layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!